Let's put together a botanical specimens book. So, I actually did a few days ago make an entire video about making a botanical press. However, TikTok decided to delete half of it. So, you don't get to see how I made that, but this is the botanical press. This is the setup. Here's my actual press. It is 2 cutting boards, a thing of corrugated cardboard and newspaper underneath my bug box, and a lot of books. And these are the ones that I have already collected and have been drying for the past about a week, and now we're going to put that into my specimen book. Now this is the kind of first-ish batch. I have another one being pressed right here. And some of these aren't totally done yet. Like, these guys still have a bit of moisture. This one does, so we can't glue them in yet just because we don't want them to get moldy. So they will stay in the press a little bit longer, but some, like this guy, this guy, this guy, they're ready to be pressed. Basically what we're going to do, we have this clear craft glue in here. We're going to paint it onto the back of the specimen and put them in my book. Now, this is not technically what you're supposed to do. There is archival quality glue and archival quality paper that you're supposed to use if you want to make it like actually archival quality, but I don't want to spend money on that, so this is what we're doing instead. Which is fine because this is basically, oh, there's an earring back. Cool, I was wondering where that went. This is basically just for a hobby. This is not for any actual, like, scientific study, preservation, anything. This is just for fun. Okay, so here's what we've got so far. These are my white clover specimens. I've just coated them, the backside, in a little bit of clear glue, and then attached them to the book. Next up, we've got to create a label. I'm just going to handwrite it instead of going through the effort of printing it. So we have the name of the flower. I included the common name and the scientific name, the date collected, and below I will include the location collected. It is in British Columbia, Canada, but you guys don't need to know the exact location. And then we're going to do the same thing for as many of these guys as we can do today that don't need more time to dry. After they're all glued in, we're going to cover the whole page with a sheet of parchment or wax paper to let the glue fully dry without sticking to the page in front of it, just in case a little bit leaked out. But yeah, that is kind of how you make a botanical specimen book.